So here's all the floor from room number 3. We tore it all out. A lot of it is kind of weak, like it's dry, real dry wood, so it breaks easy. But we might be able to make a little platform out of that or something. Here's more of the floor, so that's all of that plus this. It was a pain getting it out. Big pile of wood, so now we gotta, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piles of wood that we need to figure out. We'll probably throw a big bonfire party and just burn it all the scrap. These are all the rocks that were in that room that was being used to support the floor. And I think what happened is the floor started to sink down. The floor sunk a little bit, and then the wood floor was no longer supported very well, because the rocks like sunk down into the ground. But that's a lot of rocks. Maybe we can make something out of them rocks, make a little concrete rock wall or something, or little bonfire. We also got all these rocks. And then we got this plywood. This plywood was also in there, so it was all that wood. It was the floor, and then the plywood was on top of the floor. So I tried to get this plywood out as best as I could without ruining it. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of plywood here that we might make. We'll be able to use them for something. Maybe make a little shed or something, or use them for the shed over here. Because once this room's done, we need storage. And I just got too much stuff everywhere. But we want to really get this thing going and build up a cabin here with its own little fireplace in it. It's got its own electricity. There's the electric right there. But have a little fireplace because we got extra fireplaces we can throw in it. There's a Mount Magoti, semi-covered in snow. We haven't gotten any real significant snow here yet. Just little flurries here and there. I think we usually get our snow in this area a little later in the year, like January, February, March. February, March is what I was told. But pretty soon there's going to be a big bonfire. We can just burn up all this wood. Some of the wood is, if we can reuse it, we can, but you can see how bad it was. And it just crumbles almost.